Jungle News Network and the Teng Levekon Chibai Sanchin Thopi Manipur Farm Minister Pong Thangton Sin Salem Venga HDFC Bank Surachanpur Branch Hong General Education Officer in Teltom Government High School Dewan Sanding Pikya B Vengnuam Village Authority Maka in Job Card Nathan Chief Judicial Magistrate Office Wang Sung Ha Siang Farm Minister Pong Thangton Sin Hebron Veng Village Authority House Hong Jobi Council Headquarters in Special Joint Meeting Naiding ABC Lamka North Division BYF Khom Pingawi na ABCC Yang Tam Lamka Kipan Tun Tanjung Kimso Ingai Dio Salem Benga Tilala Building a Housing Development Financial Corporation HDFC Bank Branch Thaktuni Sun Madak Som Le Khatin Foreign Minister Pongathang Tun Sin Khwalian Apangin Hong a Reverend Kela Lun Moy in Pathian Kya Thumna in Lan He Yanguna Jasinthala Jaras ISDC Lamka Guest of Honor in Panga LT Pui STO Lamka Emergent SP Lamka Bana ADCC member Bangza Hiamin Wa Puhi Foreign Minister again na HDFC Bank kichi India Gamsunga Bank Mintangma Ama Atila ka Kathia USA ho thena dia HDFC te visa longal USA ten pomsak lohin gen he Bank hon kya ka hi to kitonin ATM sum uthun hunala kya thena dia panladin staff te ngen he Bank facilities teng mipin aham phat pi thena dia panladin in leng ngen he Surachanpur District Bank kita ilaw Bank dang leng ko ibe na dia panla ahinan gena SBI branch dang khatleng ko ibe kisoma disilam kain leng nak takin panlel chi he disilam kain again na HDFC Bank tungton in Tamil Nadu State housing loan kamuma sa pen chi Surachanpur District HDFC Bank hon kyak na huna guest of honor pan kha khamphat wai thu tungtwa na hinan gen he HDFC Bank te bank dang te sang ma in ho izo mi pi kul le poimo bang sem ki theidia hongom dingin ngen hi yanguna infla HDFC Bank manager Momo Saka in again na HDFC Bank in NET ATM credit card le adang dang pethei bek tunia ki hong khia pe Surachanpur district adi amasa pen hi India pompi khopi zale som le kata HDFC Bank ki hong kheta hin gen hi Manipur ama sa pending June ni som lenga kumsang ni asom na katin Imphal branch hon khia kinom July ni som ni athum kumsang ni asom na katin Imphal ma branch khat hon khia kinona Surachanpur district hong ki hong khepen Manipur ade branch thum na hin gen he Surachanpur HDFC Bank branch ST Kishore branch manager in Pangdinga amana thugen na facilities omtheliai tengmi piti adia kipyak khiat som hin gena ATM zat theidin mansa in omta chia khani sungin ATM dangni hongtun be lai ding hin gen kalnon se panni pan bank account honnang form ki hom khedi hin gen he
So and I know the kind of quality services they have been providing there, and I hope the same kind of services we would expect here also. It is rated as excellent, and I hope that it always will be. Public of Surachanpur are very.
They can also provide at least one or two ATMs. Not like other banks, they can also provide credit card. Whether it will be possible for this bank to issue credit card. Yes, good news. Thank you. And I will not take much time with the permission of our guest of honor is sitting in Ama Susanto Tana Malere, they parted in and they did Zam Poimo, only 8 Papa and Poimo. State Bank Hatikalias, ATM. Updated ko mahuwa. Kasi taki po nung Ilele ATM sa Sarko queue. There is a very long queue in the Sarko State Bank. Public are suffering long. What is that? Yayamon Bay will be a great benefit for the public of Surachanpur.
Surachanpur District Sunga General Education Officer le Autonomous City Council noya midday meal nga government school te adingin Bimala Raina High School Block Resource Center water container 200 liter khat chiat water filter khat chiat le meal plate som chiat tel tuam high school le junior high school headmaster te kyanga ตู้นี่ส่วนมาดักส้มและกิมจะเซฟและโรทาง General Education Officer in ไปเคียเฮ
เรียนดีเป็นตัวมัน
บีเวงนวมขสุงอา job card ในเตียนตู้นิน Chief Judicial Magistrate Office วางสงหาเสียงโอเฮMNRGS job card ตรงตัวนะ Government Office วางสงหากิหาเสียงปัตนาฮิดาดินกิเกนอา Chief Judicial Magistrate Staff เตียนบีเวงนวม Village Authority ตรงกิปะทัวปวงโอเฮHebron เวียงนิวลำกา Village Authority in MNRGS กุมสังและสมนัก Phase 3 Phase 4 อาปันสม sanction ลักบุกเบียบอล Village Authority House Building ตู้นี้จิงลำดักไว้ Power Minister ผู้ทางตนสิงห์ของเขียปาสตีบุงคันสวน Local Pastor ABCC Hebron in ปัทยานแกงทุ่ม9 ล้านเฮ Power Minister in ทุกเย็นนา Central in Provision ฮอนเปียManipur Cabinet in Past ไว้ตรงต้น Village Authority House กิบอลเขียหินเกนเฮนิรัมกาขวาเกียรติ government recognize บอลมีดังเตะหำพัดนังกิลักสักหิตวันโลอหิดานเล็บเวียงดังเตะฮัจัดเทเลียงฮิโลอหิดานเกนฮิไว้บาน FCI กวนัน building บอลน้ำมันดิ่งกัม Fit Square เตียงโซมนิลังอาเซลอินกัมในตู้เกี่ยงเปียคิริงcompensation เฟลนายเราเสียกา building บอลนะกิพันเทนายเราหินเลี้ยงเกนมาบ้านนั้นมีปีเตโตปังโคมา saving program ตั้งตักอมลายชีฮิ
nang mana mihing munle mal nei dingin kibai hom na wada heutu gamle nam nei dingin ato panahon pia tuni ma amai na hesan mo na Hebron ve Christmenin na khuda ka honla na hi amen
Sikim lama, ahun le munjila tinta kahun hera loka, tuya hei hondia, patiani na hun hondia tuya, bana advisor ti, mali September kaisana icibanga, ipuntuka ipatuin, ipatu kahun puang ai. Tuni na alian pia iun ma
về tu nấu ngay là nấu này nó để thằng nấu cọ khai bài câu chế là thằng câu chế in năng ngày nó để thằng nó ra qua có tiền nấu
Why keep it to these only low days? So that I know about MLA getting to MLA chinky some of our hat on single bus law and don't do it. Tatina to lay Zar Zalama and say so quality class. Take a total 143. Cancelo, qual é a palavra que eu vou ficar aqui? Então, a razão lá, beleza? A outra que o homem ele deixa o do baile aqui, se faz o que é. Então, tu se chama cá, tem aí, é do rápido, cara, tem aí. Kanser ye so nang kanser ke ke chi. Nek ta kana ke ko so si bila ga to ki ki ba nei ke o State government under one state government under one act atwa mai ti mo ri chi. Tam tak ai jiri di me de jari ba la pau sa. Apa revenue te kiela village commission te nei chi. Revenue Tribunal Act noya ha village authority ne le su tribal village authority ne le recognize the board e ka Manipur Land Reforms Act vai le tai chi pang u lai lai we ke le pang lai thau thau thôi ja e la ke mun ya khar ko mai ki bola vai te to ha policy ki bola chik ma mai lo to sa village authority to ma ke ne ya sita ke tai bo sita le ka hi thôi ja ki NRG scheme no ai lo na MNRGS no ya village authority house na body is a son ke la central government direction guideline no to ke da le ya su ka fa le ko ba house no na lama sing ta ke khat ni ba ma su tam sim ko da ke se do no le ya ha lo le se do no sing ta ke khat te to village authority house tirapita V house ke khatte na ke in the village ke le aki ge sare ko ma thora chief's house ki jero village house ki jai house te tha awai ja tuna je me ba tok pi house ni ben de ma ni ko to na ha ja ho chi na e na ma ke ke sia na che do ni ba wa sa le mai ta awareness apoi mo da mo ni na mani thalo le chu ta tu ha ani sa na ni ko khia sa ma ma ba in bang le ho sa sa da ba specific no le ko lo de ta ma tu ba sa na no lo le lo
Jomi Council Headquarter Rajet CC Steering Committee Information and Publicity Department le Financial Committee in Xinjiang Sunmadak Som le khatin Jomi Council Office Neru Marka Special Joint Meeting nei ding ohi Hiawuna Sadar Hills report ngai khyak na le Autonomous Tribal State demand tung tang maban panlag ding dan bana thu poimo tuam yen khom ding ohi Evangelical Baptist Convention Lamka North Division Baptist Youth Fellowship khom pi nga ve na tunin ABCC hyang tamlam ka kipan he tuni tak da google akimin upa Dr. J Songo Kham Chairman DWC Lamka North Division in khom pi hon khyak na nei a yai khom pi sungin ti dam khothang lecturer GBC le Reverend Chilo Zakin Divisional Superintendent Lamka North Division in thu gen dingwa September ni likum sang ni la som la khat ni ta ken upa elwung zaman Youth Coordinator ABC in khom pi khak ding he Kumalam Park Sports Complex September ni giat ake pani som ni kumsang ni asom la khatsung state level inter-school football tournament 2011 on ding a District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer in district level inter-school trial cum selection test a pasal kumsom le li noilang football ki moldi atel khyang mi som le gukte district IO in kwan ding ohi General Education Office Science Unit in November ni som ni kumsang ni asom la khatin district sunga scholarship examination chithum sai som ohi Government school, government-aided school, recognized school upon academic session 2011-2012 for class 8 student adding in state level national talent search examination 2011-12 na hearing a government school, government-aided school, recognized school occupant academic session 2011-12 for class 7 student adding in state talent search examination 2011-12 na hearing a Why bana government school, government-aided school, Kendriya Vidyalaya le Navodaya Vidyalaya Akipan academic session 2011-12 a class 8 student adding in National Mains Merit Scholarship Examination 2011 na hearing he. Hey National Mains Cum Merit Scholarship Examination a private school te tel thei loading ohi. Hey scholarship examination si thum a lungunay student 10 zona education office arts sungin athon in application form lak thei ta he. Fill up kit nung in September ni som le nga kumsang ni la som la katin General Education Office ma ap yak lo thei dinga admit card a hi le October ni som thum kum sang le ki pan November ni nga kum sang ni som la khat sungin ki hom ding hi tan chin to ma dingin tan chin thopi Foreign Minister Pong Thang Ton Sin Salem Venga HDFC Bank Churachandpur branch Hong General Education Officer in Tel Tuam Government High School Tevan Jading Pikhya B Vietnam Village Authority maka in job card nei ten Chief Judicial Magistrate Office Wang Sung Ha Siang Foreign Minister Pong Thang Ton Sin Hebron Veng Village Authority House Hong Jobi Council Headquarter in Special Joint Meeting nei ding ABC Lamka North Division BYF Khompi nga be na ABCC hyang tamlam ka kipan tuin ta ka ding Hornbill News ngai khyak thei hai teng ahi N2 te ne kon sangpha